This video is not a substitute for reading and following the information contained in the service manual. All service procedures should be performed by an appropriately trained and authorized service technician with the necessary certifications. To turn the freezer on, press and hold the power key for 3 seconds. Within 30 seconds, press and hold both the alarm off and power keys until PS appears in the display. Tap the quick freeze key and all the icons will begin to flash. Press the alarm off key to test the lights and fans. Open the door and press the quick freeze key to turn them on. SC on will be displayed when the lights and fans are on. Press the quick freeze key again to turn them off. SC off will be displayed. Press the alarm off key to see the display board software, version, and revision successively. Press the alarm off key again to see the main board software, version, and revision. Press the alarm off key again to see the temperatures being read at both sensors. These will be in Celsius and will alternate back and forth between the two. Press the alarm off key again for the components test section. In this section, you will be able to turn on and off 5 different components. The first component is the freezer fan. It has 3 different operating speeds, 30, 20, and 10. Multiplies these numbers by 100 for the actual RPMs. Press the quick freeze button to scroll through these speeds. Press quick freeze again to turn it off. Scroll to the next component by pressing the degrees Fahrenheit key. The next component is the compressor. It has 10 different operating frequencies as noted in the chart in the upper right hand portion of the screen. Scroll through the frequencies with the quick freeze key. To turn the compressor off, continue pressing the quick freeze key until the display reads COOF as seen here. Press the degrees Fahrenheit key again for the next component, which is a condenser fan. It also has 3 operating speeds as noted in the chart. Scroll through them with the quick freeze key. To turn the fan off, ensure the display reads CFOF. Press the degrees Fahrenheit key again for the next component, which is the drain heater. Press the quick freeze key to turn it on and off. Press the degrees Fahrenheit key again for the next component, which is the defrost heater. Turn it on and off with the quick freeze key. Press the degrees Fahrenheit key again and you're back at the top of the list. To exit the service mode, press and hold the power and alarm keys until all the icons come on. After the display scrolls through the software versions and temperature scale, it will return to normal operation.